Welcome to the instructional series for Eurythmy. In this series, we explain how to perform Eurythmy gestures, forms and techniques. In this video, we show you step by step how to make
the E or I.
Each stretching, wherever you experience it, is the E. It may be in the arms, the legs, in the whole body, but also in the gaze, with the nose, the tongue, or only with a finger, or when you can, with a toe. It must be the experience of stretching. A very typical E it is when you stretch one arm upwards, the other downwards. The E can be experienced as the moment when curiosity turns into the moment of knowing, finding what it is. Here we have the sound which comes even closer to the human being than the A, which completely represents the self-preservation of the human being. The E is the self-preservation of man. With the A we go from the center in two different directions. With the E we go from the center to the outside, and now we don't feel that we are reaching for something, but we feel the stretching. We feel it going out of us, for example, from the heart, through the arm and through both arms. Both arms have to be stretched in such a way that they become the extension of each other. Stretching one arm is also possible. In essence, you have to hold on to the fact that you experience the stretching with the E.